Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shobna and today we are going to see the color mixing chart of Holbein Gouache 18 color set. So basically I have a pre-written color chart here, and on the top row wise I have the headers with all the color names, and so does the columnar headers. So both of these are the same names, like from top to bottom it's in the same way, and the diagonal line will actually have the true color of each tube, each color if you will. So the top, the ones I'm showing, right? So whatever each grid will have a combination of two colors. That so the bottom and the we are going to mix the whatever color corresponding to both the grids. So basically, if you see, the first one is the black, so that will be a true black. But the second one is another color, probably a blue, so blue and black or whatever, that will give a result to the second box. So the diagonal line separates it. Basically, the whatever colors that are available above the diagonal line would be the same as whatever is below, because these two colors will be intermixed. And anyway, you can check it for yourself when you are doing the chart on your own. So a lot of variations can be achieved with this, because we don't want a duplication of the mixing, right? So basically what you can do is you can either dilute the whole upper section and keep the bottom section as undiluted, so that you can reference it or verify it when you're painting. Or like what I did is, on the top side I kept the paint that is on the row based header, right? So whatever is on top, if it is red, and if the columnar side has the header as blue, so I'm going to keep the red as more. And on the bottom side of the diagonal, right, so that's opposite of what I've done. The columnar, whatever it is given, if it is red, then I'm keeping the red more, and the columnar side header will be less. So I'm going to start with it, so hopefully you can follow what I do. The thing is, it took me so long to complete this, so that's why I'm speeding up the whole process. First, I'm just keeping dots on all the headers so that it acts as a reference, and then I will start mixing and adding the paint in each of the blocks. So you can see how I'm working on it. I think the first one is blue. I mentioned it as black, sorry about that. So basically you can just go ahead with any kind of combination. The thing is, I might have done some mistakes while doing this, like I mixed the wrong color, but after that I tried my best to correct it. But it's not a big deal, because you can always correct it or verify it later, because it's not so far off the actual color that was going to be arrived. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the whole process of how I did. It took me a long time, but I still did it, and it was fun for me. Now I verified this color chart for everything, every painting I do, and it's so easy to arrive at the color that I want. I just see my reference picture and I see this reference color chart, and I pick the colors that I want, and I know what colors to mix, even though I'm not really, even if you're not really good at the color theory part, you can do this and make your color mixing journey much easier. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Now I'm going to stop talking. Have fun, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you really enjoyed watching it, and share a comment with me and let me know what you think about the whole thing. Thank you. Keep watching.